I'm so excited. So we're gonna be doing some unboxing of the Kaleidoscope product. Here we go, look! So we're just going to go ahead and open this. I do want to thank the ladies over there at Kaleidoscope because my new hair care journey is going to be amazing with you all, because I just did the big chop. Say hi to Ace, everybody. Just did the big chop, so I don't have no hair right now. It's like a bare minimum. So we're going to start this process all the way over. I already had the leave-in conditioner, so I had the whole Miracle Drop set. Then I got the extra strength because, child, we need my hair back to my ass. But I do want to show y'all all the products that I received. So we are going to go ahead and do a wash day. I'm going to start taking the vitamins. Thank you so much. Make sure y'all join that VIP because that mysterious box, child, look at the stuff I got. Woo! So yes, thank you so much over there to the ladies at Kaleidoscope. I cannot wait till wash day. Stay tuned. I'll make sure I'll come back and show y'all my wash day. Bye.